Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name is Olivia Janelle, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be giving you another Trader Joe's mini haul. I know I gave you one in the beginning of April, and now we got another one because they just been sneaking out new products and stuff, and we have to try it. You already know what it is. I will list all of the items if you would like to enjoy them yourself in the description box below, so that when you're shopping, you know exactly what you're looking for. I know you're hungry, so with all of that said, let's juice get right to it. Alright, let's see what we have here. Crisp, crunchy crisps. Pea and chickpea snacks. So we're gonna try it. I had to eat 2 chips in order for me to give you a full review. So these crispy chips, they're good. I definitely can tell that these will probably taste really good with caramelized onion vegan dip. They have a very minimal flavor, so I would love to see if they can come out with other flavors other than this. They remind me of something, but I can't remember what it is. It's not chickpea and it's not. But overall, I'm going to give these an 8 out of 10. Next up in this haul, we have the dark chocolate drizzled plantain chip with sprinkled sea salt. Let's see how good these are. Ooh, they smell good. These are a 10 out of 10. The flavors, everything is balanced. Salty, sweet, dark chocolate, everything. Crunch, creamy. Oh my gosh, like these are gonna end up being my favorites. So definitely a 10 out of 10, and it's definitely a Trader Joe's must have. All right, now let's get to our next item. It's called These Sprinkles Walked Into a Cookie. So they're basically butter cookies filled with buttercream frosting and sprinkles. Ooh, oh. Ooh, those smell good. That's definitely a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I knew these were going to be a 10 out of 10. I just needed to try them to make sure and to let you know these are Trader Joe's must have. So they're creamy, they're buttery, they're crunchy, they're soft. They honestly are so good. You just need to try them for yourself. Like, there's Funfetti honestly doesn't have anything compared to these. So this is the new chocolate covered wafer cookie with peanut butter filling. So let's try it. I'm not gonna dock points because this is melted, but I will say I will have to give this a 9 out of 10. It's really good. The peanut butter is minimal, although I do taste it. Next, I got chocolate hazelnut Fooze balls. I always see everybody try the peanut butter and jelly ones, but I've seen these chocolate and hazelnut, so we're gonna try it. Ooh! That one's pretty good. I think because I just had chocolate after chocolate, I didn't enjoy it as that much, but these are actually really good, and I guarantee you if they were cold, I like a lot of things cold, you know what I'm saying? So these, I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10, but I'm not gonna give them a must-have, not so much. Next, we're gonna try these new chocolate and peanut butter JoJo sandwich cookies and peanut butter coating with a chocolatey drizzle. I have a lot of chocolate in this haul, so let's try it. I'll have to give those a 9 out of 10. They're okay, but I wouldn't get them again. Next in my haul, I got the Georgian seasoning blend, which is spicy, garlicky. It's deeply aromatic and savory, so I don't know what it tastes like. I'm gonna have to research on what this would be really good on, but we're gonna try it in the future, so you'll have to stay tuned. Next, we have the new Cajun style Alfredo sauce. I will be making a recipe with this, so stay tuned for more. Next, we're gonna try the coconut cream latte. The tasting notes is cold brew coffee, coconut cream, and sugar. It smells so good, and I definitely need a coffee right now. That's a 10 out of 10, and that's a Trader Joe's must-have. Wow, that's really good. Now, what I would do with this is, this can definitely be colder than what it is right now. I strongly recommend having this like pretty much ice cold. I wouldn't put it on ice because then it's gonna get diluted and watered down. But what I would do is take whatever your favorite creamer is. The oat milk creamer would be really good on top of this. So just froth it and then put it on top, and it would be really good. And our last item is the matcha green tea. I haven't tried this one. If you've seen my first Trader Joe's haul, my March haul, I did put in there my favorite matcha latte powder. So I will link that anything Trader Joe's in the description box below. Let's try it. That's actually really good. Unsweetened. and it's literally, don't expect it to be like the matcha powder made into like the liquid. You know how like when you make a matcha you use like the powder or whatever? Don't have that expectation. Just have an expectation of matcha and green tea combined together, and you got this drink. The smell is a little funny. Get over the smell. Well, I can get over the smell, whatever, but it's actually really, really good. I will give this a 9 out of 10. That's it. We are all through with my mini haul from Trader Joe's. There will be another one at the very beginning of May. Wow. So there will be another video at the very beginning of May or in the middle of May, because I know that they're gonna have more releases. And I'm also thinking about having a new series for me, possibly Taste Test Tuesday. Let me know in the comments section down below if that's something that would be interesting, something new and different that maybe you haven't seen. I kind of like to go against the grain and do something different that not a lot of people have done. But with all of that said, if you enjoyed this video, if you're going to try one of these items, or if you have one of these items, or if you recommend an item from Trader Joe's and you would like me to try it, because I will say this, the Trader Joe's across the whole United States of America, not all of them have the same items, but for example, these, I know these are the cookie sandwiches. I know everybody's gonna have these at their store. Well, hopefully they do. And if they don't, I'm gonna be really disappointed because you're not gonna be able to taste them. Yeah, because not all of them have them. All of that said, if you enjoyed this video, if you are going to try one of these items, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to juice be yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Damn, this is like really good. Dairy-free, vegan, now that's a 10 out of 10.